What's good, Dee Mak?
What's good, man?
Ain't nothing, man. About to start this segment. Welcome to Behind the Brim. It's your boy D Brim's on with Dee Mak tonight. He's from Brim Games 3 and 4. First question tonight, Dee Mak. Tell us how the song "Fine" came about off of Brim Game 4.
What song?
The song "Fine."
Fine. Oh, yeah. That was basically like a summertime vibe shit type shit. Made that shit when I think that was like what, 2 years ago. I just, you know what I mean, just on some summertime vibe shit for the ladies and shit like that.
Oh, okay, yo. How long you been writing, music before you came over here?
Shit, I've been writing for a good since at least like 8 years now. Been a good
Oh,
minute.
all right. Oh, okay, all right, good. That's what's up. That's what's up. Tell
That's
us
a
about
young
the
nigga.
project you released earlier last year.
I had dropped Believe Me video on YouTube. I dropped like 2 new songs on Apple Music. I got Top Shotter, Best Friend. We'll go check that out. Those 2 songs right now streaming on YouTube and Apple Music type shit.
All right. Tell me how Top Shot came about.
That was on some, you know what I mean, the drill shit. I see New York right now. We got the drill wave going crazy right now, so I had to touch that scene real quick, touch base with that real quick.
Okay. I ain't gonna front. I like the song "Best Friends." How you came up with that song, and what make you and Duffel Bag Dollars like men so well musically?
Shit, whenever we collab, whenever we go off the vibe, you feel me? Like basically whatever the streets feeling right now, or whatever the vibe is, that's what we're gonna try to give them type shit. So the vibe with Best Friend was basically, you know what I mean? That's like personal, you know what I mean? We got wifeys, we you know what I mean? We got family, so shit like that, you know what I mean? That's your best friend, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Will we see what's the expected on Brim Game 5? Because we started to accept submission. So what can we expect from you from Brim Game 5?
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of tracks I ain't even released yet. Nobody never heard, but I got Palm Angels. I'm about to drop that pretty soon. I'm trying to decide if I want to drop that shit tomorrow or next week or whatever. But I got Palm Angels, No Cap, like 2 other drill songs. I got a couple of songs I'm just sitting on right now, so you could expect a whole lot.
All right. Can we expect a project with Duffel Bag Dollars and maybe Young God as well? Like y'all all coming together making one project?
Most definitely,
I,
me, Young God, Duffel. We got 1 track I ain't even dropped yet. Crazy fire. I've been sitting on it, visual beat and everything. So
oh man.
look out for that real soon. That shit spicy, real spicy.
All right, bet. Just to let you know, I'm gonna debut Top Shotter and Best Friends on our channel, on Renegade channel. So let your audience and your fans know that you got some drops coming on the Brim Game exclusive content.
Yeah,
Just leave us with your social media and any shout outs you wanna leave us with.
share Facebook, you could type me in Bob in his bag down. On the IG you see it, Bob Dee Mak 59. That's on, you know what I mean, Triller. If you want to look at the Triller videos before the songs drop or whatever, that's Bob Dee Mak. Everything is Bob Dee Mak, you know what I mean? So whatever you know what I mean, space it, put it together, MAK at the end, Bob Dee Mak. So it's a whole lot of shit about to drop this year.
All right, bet. Can't wait,
About to
yo.
drop.
Hold
Hold
It's
on.
always a pleasure, D Mac. You already know, man.
You already just let me let them know real quick. Palm Angels about to drop. Shit fire. Palm Angels about to drop either tomorrow or next week. So look out for that. Tap in.
All right, appreciate it, D Mac. Yo, stay tapped into us, bro. If you got any videos, just send it to me, bro. You already know.
You
It's
already
love
know
on this end, bro.
You already know the
Peace.
work. Yo, we gotta get up too. We gotta talk. You know what I mean? Later on, we gotta get up though. We gotta put something together.
Yeah, for sure, bro. Just let me know. You got my math and everything, bro.
All right, most definitely. Salute.
Renegade out, bro.
You already.